Get out of here.
You want parsley?
Babe, get out of here. The battery's gonna die. Get out of here. Hello, you of tube. Hello, tube of you. Hello, tube of you. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Sa. I'm a food and cocktail-based photographer. I'm a food and cocktail photographer based out of Bangkok, Thailand, and this is my channel. I just wanted a place where maybe I could come and compartmentalize things I've learned over the last 6-7 years being a professional photographer, a professional videographer, and maybe teach someone who needs to learn something, a thing or two about this job, about this industry, about this ever-changing kind of game that we're playing. Not easy all the time. It is fun all the time, but it's changing so rapidly all the time as well. The only thing kind of staying constant for me during the last 5 years has been YouTube. It's been, having a job and then getting on YouTube to learn how to do it and faking it until I made it. It's been fun. It's been amazing kind of learning from all of you. And I thought maybe I'd join the party and teach you guys a trick or two that I've learned. So this channel is going to be mainly for food and cocktail photographers, obviously, but I'm sure you can all learn a little bit of something from it. We'll talk about certain ways to shoot things, getting that epic money shot that you've always wanted to get, and more importantly, how to make money while doing all this, how to kind of approach clients and turn those clients into a way to fund your passion and make that your day job. And that's what this video is about. We're going to talk about 5 ways that you can take that one-time client and turn them into multiple-time clients. And these are some of the tricks that I used when I first started. The first one is to offer that monthly client a retainer-based contract. When that one-time client comes into you and says, hey, listen, I need some photographs for my menu or for my social media account or whatever, that client has no idea how much content they're actually going to need to put on their social media. It's not something you post on once a week or once every couple of weeks. It's something you're gonna be on top of daily, and they don't understand how much content they're gonna need. The content that you provide for them is gonna be obsolete in like 6 months. In order to turn that client into a retainer client, you're just gonna offer them a retainer price based on multiple visits. So when you offer them that one-time fee or that rate for that one shoot, at the same time say, hey, look, if you come in and you let me do 12 shoots for you this year, based on your own timeline, I will give you a better price for every shoot. You'll be surprised at how many clients are gonna be like, let's go for that. And how many clients will actually pay you up front for that as well. So don't be afraid to lose a little bit to gain a lot. That way you already have 12 shoots locked in for the year, you know what I mean? You don't have to sit in your ass and worry about not getting your next job. Those jobs are already locked into your calendar. You do that 4 or 5 times and you're singing. You don't need to be afraid to offer clients retainers for less money. It's fine. Long-term benefits outweigh short-term gains. I always thought that way, and it's always worked really, really well for me. The second thing you can do for a client is be that solution between the social media game and photography. Basically, as photographers, we need to know more about what's happening in the market rather than just going in and taking the photos and leaving. You want to be that bridge between the most amazing Instagram page, the most amazing Facebook page, the most amazing TikTok page, and the photography. What you can offer clients instead of a shot list is a monthly calendar. So you write, June 1st, we're going to talk about food. We're going to talk about your fried chicken and the ingredients that go into it, and this is the shot I want to get. So these 3 things are the first shot we need to get. And you do that for the whole month. And you say, hey, look, if you want, I can come in every 2 months and make you a 2-month calendar that highlights different aspects of your business. You will be so surprised at how many clients are longing for this. They take care of their day-to-day business. They don't have time to sit down and plan social media. It's a lot of work. So if you can cut down any of that work for them, you are gonna get more work. So just learn that. The third thing you can do is related to those 2 other things, but it's learning. It's getting deeper into the game. Learn social media management. It's not that hard. There are so many people out there that have no idea how to hold a camera, and they go and manage all these accounts for all these other restaurants. And you know, frankly, if you have an understanding of how to take a picture, you probably have an understanding of how to make an Instagram page look phenomenal. So don't sell yourself short. Go watch YouTube videos, read books, learn about how to become the best damn social media manager there is out there, and add it as an upsell to your services. You will be surprised at how many clients will be like, all right, we'll take you on board for 6 months, and you'll make 5 times as much money as doing one shoot for them. This will not only help you grow your skills, but also help you learn more about this market. And at the same time, you'll be making a lot more money. So you can take these clients and then take your passion projects as well. It doesn't take a lot of time if you know what you're doing, and there's a lot of resources out there for you to learn exactly how to do it. Don't be scared of doing this. Go and learn and get it done. The fourth thing that you can do is learn to make videos. Videos are killing it right now. Maybe not videos, maybe stop motions, maybe cinemagraphs, maybe anything else that diverts from the still image. Clients are hungry for this kind of content right now, and the more you know how to do, the more jobs you're gonna get. You can turn one photo shoot into a 2-day photo shoot by offering the client 2 extra stop motions. They will take it, they will bite, and they will want what you can offer them. They don't understand that there's equipment out there, there's software out there that can help us as small independent creators create content for them that looks like it has a huge production value behind it. You know, I'll teach you how to do cinemagraphs, I'll teach you how to do stop motions, I'll teach you all of that. Just stay tuned to this channel, and trust me, it's gonna open up a whole new world of creativity that the client is not gonna be able to refuse. Number 5, when you're ready, and this is probably the most important, approach ad agencies, approach creative companies, approach ad buyers, approach anyone that deals with clients so that you don't have to go and reach out to a client yourself. If you get in with an ad agency, you are gonna get more work than you can handle. They have 20, 30, 40, 50, sometimes hundreds of clients under their belt. If they like what you're doing, they're gonna pitch you to every single one of their clients. And if you get those jobs, trust me, you're not gonna be worried about how to get jobs anymore. You're gonna be worried about which jobs you wanna take. Get in with ad agencies, look at what they're doing, and you know, really, really try to get to the level they're looking for. And you know, when you go to the shoot, blow their minds. You will get so much work. It's something I learned really late in the game, and it's something I wish someone told me 5 years ago. You know, just try to get in with ad agencies. I'll be honest, it's not easy because they're looking for really, really high quality stuff. They're not gonna go for someone who doesn't know what they're doing. So build your skills and try to get in. Try to get in with different ad agencies. Just ad agencies of all levels, right? They have independent ad agencies, you have corporate ad agencies, you have multinational ad agencies. You can get in. Just do the groundwork, do your research, figure out how to get in contact with them and get in. Show them your work, show them your portfolio, you know, just be confident in what you do and see what happens from there. That's it for today, I guess. I'm just excited about sharing what I have in my head with all of you guys. If you're interested in what I have to say and you want to know more about what I have to say, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for really, really cool videos coming your way soon. From all of us at Turquoise Truck Studios, we'll see y'all later. See you later, guys. Thanks for tuning in.